Today, we are taking a look at the Toyota Corona ST191 for the 1994 JTCC Suzuka Winter Kit from NuNu models. This will be 124 scale curb side kit and a modified reissue from the original issue of this kit in 2018 when it was released as the same for the same race, the number 36 Zent Toyota. So there's going to be some new parts in this kit, like a new set of wheels and some other various bits. All right, let's check it out. And getting started with the body. As you can see, it is a multi-piece body. And getting started with the chassis parts tree. You see it is molded in black. And now taking a look at the chassis, you can see some detail molded in front half of the exhaust pipe, underside of the engine detail molded there. And moving on over here, you have some more. We have fuel tanks, some suspension pieces, axle piece there, bucket seat, and moving on to the next parts tree, which has a little bit of everything. Some interior pieces, suspension pieces. I'll start up here with the dash, wipers, pedals down there. Take a look at the brakes, which look pretty good. Nice detail molded to them. Take a look at the exhaust pipe over there. There's two grill choices. I won't know what one you're going to be using. You'll see the other grill here later on in the video. The way I'm doing the video, recording the video, is I've already looked at the other grill. And some more suspension pieces, the steering wheel, tow hooks. And now we're going to take a look at the tire baggie, which obviously has the tires. You can see they are a set of cambered race slicks. And you get obviously poly caps and a mesh screen to use for the grill openings. Now taking a look at the front rear bumper parts tree along with the interior bucket parts tree. As you can see, the interior is going to be race stripped, which is probably good because we have some what looks like to be side molding pieces. And I'll take a look at the front bumper. And the rear bumper. And now take a look at the interior parts tray, which has some of the roll bar pieces, or all the roll bar pieces. Up there you have part of the roll bar piece, mirrors, and it looks like a tank. And you have the interior door panels, which are bare. Another set of mirrors here, which I believe you'll be using these mirrors here for this variation. See them there. Those are the and the other set of roll bars, left and right side. And now we'll take a look at the new for this kit race wheels. Now we're going to take a look at the clear parts tree. It's pretty basic. You have your front and rear windows, side windows, taillights, and headlights, lenses. And now we're going to take a look at the chrome parts tree, which is pretty simple. You have a front grille, headlight buckets, taillight buckets, and some mirror faces there. Now we're going to take a look at the decals, and there are 3 separate decal sheets included, which annoys me to know in the decals for the window trims. And I say it annoys me that they do this because they're reissuing, NuNu is reissuing the kits with actual window masking. Why not just include them in the first run so you don't have to reissue them again with it? I know why they do it. I know, but and the next set of the next decal sheet will be this colorful one that'll help do the livery. So you're gonna have to try and match the yellow here, which is onto the next and last and the main decal sheet, which has a little bit of everything on it. All the rest of the decals you need. You have a choice of which card number you're gonna do. You can do 38 or 39. I think that's where the wheel why there's an extra set of wheels. It depends on what number you're gonna use. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Toyota Corona ST191 for the 1994 JTCC Suzuka winter kit from NuNu model kit. You know, I do believe there, maybe not, shouldn't say anything. I think there might be a detail upset for this that you can buy, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't recall. I think there is. So your choice of races, you have Suzuka 500 km or the 1994 Intertech. And which race you're going to do. So, on that note, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.